Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can change your app icons on the home screen just like this. See here, this is the Google Assistant app. If you observe this, usually Google Assistant will come with three dots, right? But now I changed with another app icon. Likewise, you can also customize or change the default app icons on your home screen. This is very easy, and remember, I'm not telling to install any third party launcher, but you need to open Play Store and install an app. Just with an app you can do this. On your Play Store, just search for here. There is an app called X icon launcher. Okay, X icon launcher. See, this is already installed, so this is from the Astro Play. When you click on open, maybe what I'll do is I'll just try to uninstall this once and I'll try to reinstall this. So yeah, I'll be just uninstalling this so that I can show you the process from the starting. So click on install here. So once it is installed, it will ask to accept their terms and privacy policy conditions. Just read those conditions once, and if you're okay with that, you can just try to install this. Okay, when you click on open, see here, to use X icon changer you must affirm that you're, so read the privacy policy here, and if you're okay with that, you can just click on continue here. And see, now it will ask like which app do you want to change the icon. Say for example, maybe Instagram I'll try. Okay, I try to change the Instagram app icon with the available icons here. Say if I choose this, I need to tap on this, so that now from now on Instagram will be like this. And also I can change the name to, say for this moment I'll be just giving like funny. Okay, and you can choose between these available icons here. Choose here, and this is the video symbol is there, right? Video symbol, if you can click that, it will ask you to watch a video. So as a reward it will give you. So now I'll choose one like maybe this one. Yeah, this one is fine. You need to click on OK, but it may play a video just to give you as a reward, so you need to watch that video anyways. Because I tried to skip watching this video, but it's not getting possible. So just try to, yeah, maybe you need to click on add here and change next icon. Likewise you can change other items, but let us see here. This is funny, right? I'm just dragging it and dropping on my home screen to wherever the space is available. This is the space available here. See here, this is the funny with a different customized icon. And if you want these type of analog clocks or digital clocks on the home screen customization, I did a detailed video. I'll keep that in the description. You can just find that and make your home screen look like this. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.